Today we're looking at the Kitbest OBD2 car diagnostic scan tool. Little tool from Kitbest, got it out of Amazon for about 12 bucks. And it's a little dongle that's going to read my error code on my truck. I've got a 2008 Ford F-150 4x4. It's got 260,000 kilometers on it and the engine light came on. If I take it in to get diagnosed, sometimes they ding you 25 bucks, sometimes it's free, sometimes it's 50 bucks. So hopefully this will tell me what's wrong. If it's just a catalytic converter or a loose gas cap, that's fine. If it's something more serious, I'll take it and get it fixed. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, in the 2008 Ford, the dongle access port is right under here, and it's right there. And we can see the flat spot is on top. We're just going to plug the dongle in and we're going to go from there. Okay, here we go. It's plugged in and we're ready to go. Okay, it says we have to plug in the dongle first, which it is, and the red light is on. So we're going to close all this, and we have to make sure that we have our Bluetooth turned on. Bluetooth is turned on. Okay. And we have the OBD2 app there. So here, to save some time, we're going to fast forward a bit here. We're just going to download the Torque Light app, start your Bluetooth, pair it, use the code 1234, it gets paired, and start the app. Okay, away we go. Welcome to light version. If you have any questions, if you're able to, please consider purchasing the paid version, whatever, okay? Start the engine.
It went to residential schools.
Okay, don't know what happened there. Settings. Fault codes. So we have the orange. What's the fault codes? Scan, show logged faults, clear, show pending faults, show historic. Show logged faults. Here we go. P0401. Exhaust gas recirculation flow insufficient detected. Exhaust gas recirculation flow insufficient detected. I'll have to look and see what that means. Let's close that. So let's go to this, fault codes, and we'll clear logged faults. You should only perform this action after the fault has been fixed and when the vehicle is stationary. Are you sure you want to clear the fault codes? And the code goes out. Okay? Pretty simple. Let's see what happens. Don't know how long it's going to stay that way. But that was pretty simple, really. We'll turn this off. Okay? We'll close this down. I'm going to take this dongle out. It says you can leave it in. There's all kinds of fancy stuff, I guess, but my only concern with this was get rid of the fault code, find out what it was. It's a gas emission. That's fine. I'll clean the engine out or whatever. It's not going to blow up. It's not going to whatever. It's just going to run whatever. I might get less gas mileage or whatever, but with 260,000 kilometers on it, almost. I'm not really going to worry about it right now. Okay, so that's it. So this is the Kitbest dongle from Amazon, 12 bucks, and I got rid of my fault code. And it's a great little tool. I can shove it in the glove box, keep it at home. Anybody can use it. Phenomenal. Okay, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. It's a great little thing. Plug it in. And this was the first time I've used it and hooked it up and tried it. I didn't know anything about it. I'm not a mechanic. I know up is up and down is down, and that's about it. Okay? So yeah, great little dongle. Highly recommended. For now, let's see what happens, and I'm going to look up that code. There you go. Till the next time, we'll see what else is new. Maybe we'll go fly some drones today. Okay? Great. Thank you. Bye.